How to add watermark to photo on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus from Create Login and Delete, back with another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add watermark to your photo on your iPhone. So now, let's get started. First thing you'll want to do is open up your camera and click a picture. If you already have a picture, you can use that too. So after you click on picture, just open that picture up. And what you'll need to do is you'll need to edit this picture. So tap on edit. And after you've done that, so now what you'll need to do is tap on markup right here. Now you can turn off your live photo if you're on live photo. And after your markup opens up, tap on this plus icon on the bottom right. Now here, tap on add text. And now you can create your watermark from here. So just write whatever you want. And after you do so, you can increase its size if you want to, or you can decrease it too. So after you're done with the text, tap on done, and you can play around with the text too. You can change its color. Now let's do that. Let's add another text. So after you select your text, you can change its font, you can change its color. So let's change its color first, make it look more, like a watermark. Now you can change its font to, whatever you want. You can change its size too, and you can even align this. So after you're done with that, you can change its size and you can place it wherever you want. So just place it wherever you want, like a watermark, and tap on done, and it will save, and there you have it. You have got your own watermark on your photo. So that is basically it for the video, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to leave a like down below, and if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Also, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.